हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं आशीष और आप देख रहे हैं अक्कू-गyan तक। तो आज की वीडियो में बात करेंगे थर्मोडायनेमिक्स के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस के बारे में। ये वीडियो का दूसरा पार्ट है, पहला पार्ट चैनल पर अपलोड हो चुका है, आप प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर देख सकते हैं। तो आज का जो टॉपिक है वो है टेम्परेचर बेसिस। तो थर्मोडायनेमिक्स के जो इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन होंगे टेम्परेचर बेसिस पे, उसको हम वीडियो में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। तो चलिए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं।
When a body A is in thermal equilibrium with a body B, and also separately with a body C, then B and C will be in thermal equilibrium with each other. A true. B false. C tilde D tilde. Right. Which of the following were used as fixed points before 1954? A. The ice point. B. The steam point. C. All of the mentioned. D. None of the mentioned. Right. What is the standard fixed point of thermometry? A. The ice point. B. The steam point. C. The triple point of water. D. None of the mentioned. Right. All gases and vapors approach ideal gas behavior at A. High pressure and high density. B. Low pressure and low density. C. High pressure and low density. D. Low pressure and high density. Right. The value of ratio of the steam point temperature to the ice point temperature is A. 1.466, B. 1.266, C. 1.166, D. 1.366. Right. Celsius temperature of the triple point of water is in degrees Celsius. A minus 0.00, B 0.00, C 0.01, D none of the mentioned. Right. Which of the following is chosen as the standard thermometric substance? A. Gas. B. Liquid. C. Solid. D. All of the mentioned. Right. A real gas behaves as an ideal gas when A. Temperature approaches 0. B. Pressure approaches 0. C. Both temperature and pressure approaches 0. D. None of the mentioned. Right. The temperature interval from the oxygen point to the gold point is divided into how many parts? A2, B3, C4, D1. Right. Optical method is adopted for measuring temperatures higher than the gold point. A true. B false. C tilde D tilde. Right.